Make sure as a teacher that they're very strong in understanding the 4 operations. That's addition, takeaway, multiplication and division, and also about percentages. They need to understand how to work out their everyday problems. Trust me, when children leave at 16, they won't use trigonometry again. They won't use vectors again unless they become engineers or do any jobs that are related to that field. But they will know how to add up and check the total and change. Make sure that they have a good understanding of money, and when they go to supermarket shelves, make sure that they are able to look carefully at the best deals. That might mean that you have to organise a supermarket trip. Why not? That's the best maths. The best maths happens within those supermarkets, where they're thinking carefully about ways to work out the deals. Also, make sure that they understand what happens if they have a poor credit history. Many students now are having to pay loans or have taken out credit cards to pay for a great lifestyle. That's not to say they shouldn't have fun, but they need to understand that once they pass their degree or they qualify and they're back into employment, they will have to pay up. And that can cause unnecessary stress. So as teachers, we're not just teaching them to read and write, we're teaching them the skills of life. And your job is to make sure that they are financially confident. That is whether they're 4 years old, and that can be understanding about money. That can be when they're 11 years old, where they're finally given their own money to spend on things that they want to do, or they're doing their own trips to the secondary school and back. That also means when they're 16, when they're looking for their first job, their first weekend job, how do they know what a national insurance number is? How do they know how much tax they might have to pay when they're growing up? All those life skills are key in making sure that children really do understand their finances and are able to successfully manipulate them so that they can have a better life.